Hi guys, this is Bhavya Sharma from Dualite. So today we'll be building a fully interactive front-end clone of FigJam which will be used for building flowcharts and user flow diagrams. We are building it from scratch, so I have written a series of prompts for it. Let's dive right into it. So the results are here. They look really good. We have options to choose from: rectangle, ellipse, line, arrow, text, eraser, everything. We're even given the shortcuts here, um, like V key for select tool and everything. We have this undo and redo buttons, magnifying and minimizing it as well. We can choose from various colors, the stroke, where we can choose different tones of the same color. The RGB are given here as well, and we can choose from different colors as well. We can even choose the width of the stroke, and here we have this to export our drawing as a PNG or as SVG. So let's try it. As you see, we had chosen this blue color here and the stroke here as green, so we have got this little outline of green here on the rectangle. We can even add any of the text by just clicking once. This pencil here draws really nice. We can undo and redo as well. Magnifying works as well. So we have got these layers here where we can easily see what exactly is there on our canvas. Let's try exporting it as SVG. Well, it works really nice. So let's continue and give our second prompt. In this step, what we had asked Alpha to do is that we can easily add a text box in the shapes in our text to it, as well as we had asked it to build imaginary arrows so that we can easily create flowcharts and visualize them. So when we do that, let's choose another color for it. By just clicking, we can easily enter our text here, and it's visible as well. So when you just hover over the shape, you can see these little arrows which are being built here. As you see, we're getting a notification here which says click on a connection point to complete the connection, press escape to cancel. So there is this imaginary connection that is being built here, and yes, I just pressed escape for it. Increase its functionality. Let's interact with Alpha to create better. So with the next prompt, we had asked Alpha to create better feature so that we can edit texts very easily, but as we see, Alpha has given us a functionality where we can double click any shape to instantly start editing text and visual feedback as well, and we'll be getting a notification as soon as we start writing. So yeah, here it is, text editing mode, press enter to save, escape to cancel. So let's try adding any random text in this triangle we have. Well, we have added the text, but as you see, we're not able to get the text in the triangle. So let's interact with Alpha and try to solve this issue. With this prompt, Alpha has solved all our issues. Here we can easily take any of the shapes, and now just by double clicking it, we will be able to add up to 100 characters. There is no different kind of text box appearing behind it with a white background or something, so it's quite seamless. So this is how you can build your FigJam clone frontend agent as well, using your very own Dualite Alpha. Thank you.